Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian 12.8 on VirtualBox. First go to Debian official website, that is debian.org. Click on other downloads, then click on download mirrors, then scroll up. See here we have two types, CD and DVD. Under DVD click on AMD 64 or i386 based on your CPU. Mine is AMD 64, so click on AMD. Scroll down. See here we have the Debian 12.80 DVD ISO file and its size is 3.7 gigabytes. Click on this Debian 12.8 DVD ISO. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 3.7 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded Debian 12.8. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. See, I have Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, click on it. See, I don't have any virtual machines. To create new virtual machine for Debian 12.8, you have to click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Okay. Then provide the name for the machine, Debian 12.8 VM. This is the name for the virtual machine, not the host name. And select the path where to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on other. Make new folder for the VM. Click on select folders, then select the downloaded ISO file. Other download. See here I have the Debian 12.8. Select it and click on open. See, once we selected, type as selected Linux, subtype as Debian and version as Debian 64-bit. Select this skip unattended installation, which means we are going to install it by manual inputs. So click on next, and the default base memory it has selected 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4, and number of processors I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes, and number of processors I am giving 2. Then click on next. Here I am going to provide virtual hard disk sizes 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. Then click on finish. Still we can edit the settings. Just select the virtual machine from this menu and click on settings. Then here we can change the settings of the virtual machine, or right click and select the settings. Okay, if you are okay with all these settings, then click on start, or right click and select start. Both are same. Use up and down arrows and select the first option, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location and continue. Set keyboard option. Okay, I'm going with the default one. Now provide the host name. We can change host name later also, but I am giving deb 12.8. We can change this later also. Okay, click on continue. Provide domain name if you have any existing, otherwise provide new domain name. At this moment I am not going to configure domain, so click on next, that is continue. Then provide the password for root account. Then click on continue. Then we are going to create new user, so provide new user full name, continue. This will be the username, continue, and provide the password. Then continue. Select the clock. I am going with the default, that is Eastern. Partition disks I want to use guided, use entire disk. Then click on continue, all. Select the finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Select yes and continue. See, configure package manager. At this moment I don't want. Select no and click on continue. I don't want network mirror, so continue. I don't want to participate in usage survey. Software selection, I am going with only genome. If you want like KDE Plasma or Cinnamon, you have to select the check boxes. If you want like enable web server, SSH server, you have to select the check boxes. It is all up to you based on your requirement. Click on continue. See, now we have to configure display manager. I want to go with GDM3. So click on continue. See, now it is asking install the grub bootloader on your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. Select the drive and click on continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. So go to VirtualBox. See here, optical drive is empty, which means it is already removed. No need to do anything. Just click on continue. Click on username and provide password. Click on next, 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 skip, all done. Click on start using Debian Linux. Now click on activities, click on show applications, open terminal. Let me increase the font and verify the version of the Debian installed. Preferences, unnamed, custom font, plus, select, close it, verify more, /etc os- release. See, we have installed Debian 12. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian 12.8 on VirtualBox. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.